In the serene village of Satakha Old, under Satakha block in Zunheboto District, a story of innovation and dedication is transforming the face of rural farming. Meet Khekato Jimomi, a progressive farmer, teacher, and innovator, whose passion for sustainable agriculture has led to a new revolution in beekeeping and banana cultivation. Though not a scientist by profession, Khekato's curiosity and years of field experience inspired him to design a scientific stingless bee box, an innovation that has quickly gained attention across the region. Traditional stingless boxes often cause the death of bees due to poor design, but Khekato's model introduces separate honey and brood chambers, ensuring non-destructive honey harvesting and healthier bee colonies. This small but powerful innovation has greatly increased honey production and improved stingless bee survival, proving that science and farming can truly work hand in hand. As a farm school teacher and farmer's friend under Atma Satakha block, Khekato continues to train and inspire local farmers, helping them adopt sustainable and scientific methods. Beyond beekeeping, Khekato also owns a thriving banana farm, which he has nurtured through years of hard work and dedication. His farm stands as another shining example of perseverance and smart farming practices, showing how innovation can flourish even in the most rural corners of Nagaland.
Ami la nam to Khekato ase, ami Satakha Old Village pra belong kore. Aro ami beekeeping 2006 pra suru kurse. Aro khadi and village industry te ek mahina course loise. Aro tupche te Nagaland beekeeping and honey mission kan bra. Raza phi mate 5 din loise. Aro Nagaland beekeeping and honey mission bra advanced scientific beekeeping Darjeeling West Bengal para loise 7 din loise. To Nagaland beekeeping and honey mission kan bra aro bee breeding 2 din training loise. Iniga korigena ami beekeeping suru kora to 20 years hoy jese. Ami to national award pi paise oro beekeeping te national award pi paigena ase oro district award pi paigena ase oro ami farm kora to 7.5 hectare cover kora ase. Ami la farm te banana oro to bee khan farm kora ase.
With a spirit of innovation and a heart rooted in farming, Khekato Jimomi has shown that true progress begins with passion and purpose. From bees to bananas, his journey is a testament that hard work, knowledge, and determination can indeed create a revolution in agriculture.